What is up, everybody? I am the Gaming Hamburger, and today I will be unboxing an airsoft gun. Here it is. This is the box. I actually don't know if it's what I was looking for because I ordered it. It's supposed to come around 8, except it's nowhere close to 8 yet. So I'm guessing or hoping that they just dropped the box off early. It's because they were in that area. They were in the neighborhood. Special shout out. It is the thing actually, because I just saw it in there. Special shout out to my brother, who is Mr. Mussins D's, who is holding the thing, who is holding the camera. And there it is. It is the gun.
Wait, is it 2 guns?
No, it's just one.
Oh.
It's just one. It's beautiful. Well, here it is. It's just like your standard pistol. Pew pew. See, here is the safety. Right there. You push the safety. Now it's not on safety. Try to. This is semi-automatic. This is a semi-automatic gun. That's why I actually went airsoft shooting in the first place. So I was looking for a semi-automatic gun. Because I actually have another airsoft gun. Another airsoft pistol. But it's not semi-automatic. So that means it's pretty much every time you shoot, little slider thing right there, you have to pull that back. This gun, though, is semi-automatic. This is the clip. It did not come with any airsoft pellets, which I'm kind of like really about. But on the box, it says 15 rounds, accessory rail, 6mm airsoft bullets, and then the instructions manual. Here it is, and this is just like another advertisement thing. Sorry, I can't, I'm looking through the camera right now, so I can't really position my hands. This is just another one, Mag 9. That's another gun. I do not have the Mag 9. I have the Enforcer. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Yeah, semi-automatic. Yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty stinking awesome. And then that's about it. Accessory reel, 15 rounds, 6mm. Then it should say, yeah, right there. Semi-automatic, 15 rounds, drop-free magazine, which means all you have to do is click the extractor button, which is right here once, boosh, and then that will come falling out. Pretty awesome gun so far. I mean, I haven't even used it yet. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see all you dudes